I'm Jeanne Thoma, and I'm the CEO of SPI Pharma, and SPI provides novel excipient solutions to the pharmaceutical industry. I think that the patient and the caregiver experience is important, and I do think that it has in the past been overlooked, but recent new regulations have put a focus on the patient experience, and that is really to drive better outcomes. And I think this is encouraging companies like SPI Pharma and our customers, the pharmaceutical industry, to focus on that to improve outcomes. The focus on an aging population is becoming increasingly important. A recent UN study indicated that the demographics bear that out. In 2015, there were approximately 900 million people over the age of 60, and the estimate is that by 2030, that number will be 1.4 billion, so a 55% increase in that population. At SPI Pharma, we are focused on both geriatric and pediatric populations because some of their challenges are similar. The difficulty in swallowing tablets, so the need to look for more innovative dosage forms. But the pediatric population also has the challenge that most drugs were developed and the studies were done based on the general population and not specifically for pediatrics. So there's always been a bit of a concern about the proper dosing. The major challenges facing formulators is to find safe and effective excipients to deliver the results they're targeting, whether that is taste masking to create a chewable, a gummy, or an orally disintegrating tablet, or a smaller tablet that's easy to swallow. All of these things present different challenges depending upon the active ingredients they're working with. At SPI Pharma, we help formulators overcome these challenges by finding solutions for them. One of the things that we keep in mind is that formulators don't like to take risks with their excipients. So rather than coming out with novel excipients, we look across the portfolio of excipients available and come up with creative combinations through formulation expertise, process expertise that deliver systems and co-blends and premixes that not only help to create a dosage form that is effective, but also speeds the process of development. At SPI Pharma, we have several different approaches to supporting these formulation efforts, whether it is taste masking or offering more compressible excipients or different drug delivery systems, but we actually take a very customized approach when we're working with our customers so that we can develop a solution for them that fits their specific need, that delivers an easy swallow tablet or some other form that allows for better patient adherence. At SPI Pharma, we really focus on supporting our customer to support their patient with a focus on geriatric and pediatric. The value that we bring is in our agility and creativity to really make a difference.